If you want to know how to split video in ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So firstly, we need to import some media and then just add it on our timeline. And as you can see, we have this video element inside of the program. And what if we need to split it into two different elements? Yes, we have the solution. So ClipChamp provides us the opportunity to use a split instrument. And in order to find it, we just simply need to find the timeline, and it will be available in the left top corner right up here. So in order to use it, we just simply need to place our marker into the necessary position, for example here, and then just click on split icon. So after that, our video will be automatically splitted. And the one more way of how can we split videos is just simply use the shortcut. How can we find it? We can just simply hover, and as you can see, the shortcut for split instrument is just letter C. So we need to click on our video element and then just click on CS. So after that, we can easily interact with our video objects, we can delete them, we can change the duration and so on. After that, we can just simply click on export and export our video. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.